Hi, I'm Josh, owner of Mott Racing, third generation mechanic. Been apprenticing for my dad for about 11 years now, riding my whole life, and just took over the business about a year ago, trying to do big things. Mott Racing is a motorcycle, ATV, service, repair, and performance-oriented shop. We work on dirt bikes, street bikes, Harleys, ATVs, UTVs, anything that you can think of. We are equipped with a small machine shop with a lathe, a mill, bandsaw, a welder. We have a tire changing machine. We're equipped with a spring press and a corner dedicated suspension. Do anything from rebuild cranks to shortening your suspension. At JMR, we can fix it. You can give us a call at 208-908-4250, or you can come check us out, 107 East 46th Street, Unit 114 in Garden City, Idaho. Or you can check us out on our website, joshmottracing.com.